It's your boy MeDaMac, man. Thank you guys for the subscribers. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little ride on the CRF50. I'm gonna show you guys how far I'm gonna go. I'm gonna hit the alley real quick. So I don't got too much battery, so just check it out. Gotta get this joint out of my mouth. Sorry if it looks kind of crazy. I'm holding my phone. I don't got a GoPro yet. Gotta cross the street. Alright, we gotta go this way. I hope no dog comes out and starts fucking chasing my ass. Cause if there is, I'm gonna have to just drop my fucking phone and take off. Look both ways. No clock. I gotta keep it chill right here. Cause there's no fucking... It's uneven, it's kind of loose gravel, but I'm gonna go up this hill real quick. Hope I don't need shit. Hell nah, you're more good. I'm gonna get to my smoking spot. I'm gonna go smoke a joint. I wanna go in there. Oh man, I'm gonna show you guys where I ate shit last time. So I was going all through here. I'm gonna go slow. I ain't gonna go fast this time. So my first time riding through here, I was going hella fast. Like, I mean, I was maxing it. I was hitting at least like 32, 33, 34 on this bike. Right? I was maxing out. Go around this Mustang. Don't go in the canal. So I was going all through here. Going all through here, all through here, all through here, all through here. Damn, I went hella far. If you guys want to see more of these videos, let me know. I will upload more videos. I gotta be on the lookout because there is cops over here. So if I do see a cop, guys, I'm putting my phone in my pocket and I'm going somewhere over there. I'm gonna cross a bridge. I'm gonna go somewhere out there. Fuck that. I ain't stopping. I'm not gonna get my bike taken away. I ain't got no money to get my bike out right now. My taxes haven't came in. Alright, so look, I was smashing through here the other day, right? Hella smashing, hella fast. I'm gonna show you guys my scab right now. It looks nasty. So I went this way. Cholo Park, don't go there. You gotta get beat the fuck up. Look, now they put this shit because I ate shit. Look, this shit wasn't here last time. See this fucking hole? I hit this fucking hole going fucking 30 miles an hour on this fucking bike right here. I hit this shit right here. This front tire hit right there. Fucking flipped, I slid all over the floor right here. I ate shit. So, all over the floor I ate shit. I'll show you guys my scab once I get to my smoking spot. I gotta go post up and just smoke. camera, guys. I'm doing this shit with one hand, so sorry if the camera's a little bit wobbly. Oh, look, we got some water. We got some water. I'm gonna come fishing. Sorry guys, I had to turn around there. Look, see, I like coming out here. Look, a little hill. This is tight right here. I like it. It's crazy because last week when I came, all these little flowers weren't here. They didn't look like this at all. Oh look, and this shit was open. They closed that shit. I just love how it sounds when you shift. Yeah, we exploring now. Woo! Oh no, it was right here. Oh, that's fucked up. Damn, someone just threw a little puppy here. I don't want to report that shit. Damn, I hope that puppy didn't come over here and just die. But no, I want to check this box right here because... Damn, that's crazy, man. That sucks. That's a nice little puppy. If I was walking around here, I would have taken home. Man, I hate seeing that shit, man. If it's a big dog, you know, it's whatever, but if it's a little dog, you know, I feel bad. I just want to make sure there's no puppies in here. Look, it's a puppy bag, dude. I mean, a puppy box. Oh, hell no. Oh, that's fucked up, dude. Oh man, that's fucked up. Someone just threw puppies out here, dude. Damn, dude, someone just threw puppies out here. Man. I hope there's at least one puppy alive, dude. Damn, that's cold. Damn, that's cold, man. Poor puppies, man. I wish I didn't see that shit. Man, that's crazy. Come on, man. Who would throw puppies over here, dude? Like, for reals? Just all you gotta do is just make an ad, dude, on the internet, on Craigslist. Just make an ad, people. Free puppies. If you can't keep those puppies, make an ad, please. Man, I wish I found one alive at least. I'm gonna smoke this up real quick. Well, I'm gonna stop this video here. I'm gonna continue another video after I smoke this. This is just crazy, man. Alright, peace out, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the content so far. Like and subscribe.